Marzi in action.
Boo!
Uh-oh, she's choking.
You okay?
Uh-oh, she's choking. Yeah, you're okay, Pumpkin. You're okay. You're okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, do it again.
You okay? Is it, you swallow it? Swallow it first, Mari. Hold on, let's see if there's anything in your mouth. Let me see if there's anything in your mouth. There's a little bit left. You swallow that first.
Yeah, I like to put water in a bottle.
Yeah, I brought a little bottle so you can put it in there.
Yeah, I'll do that. I don't...
Boo! Boo!
She does. I wanted to do the muscle thing, though.
Boo! Come here, come here.
Marzi, do the muscle thing for Fancy Patty.
She does it with it. Come on, come on. Hold on. Moss. Come on. You want a snack? She's crazy.
Do it again, Pumpkin. Arrgh.
Boo! Boo boo!
I don't know why she does that. That's so funny. Arrgh. 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 Marzi, Marzi, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Marzi. Bye-bye. Your turn. Your turn. Your turn. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Your turn. Bye-bye. Marzi, I told everybody in Guam you're smart. Marzi. Marzi. Say bye-bye. She'll probably do it right after I turn off the camera. Okay. Bye-bye. She wants nothing to do with being told what.
Boo! You're crazy, girl.
Yeah.